As you can see, the growth in just 15 days has been remarkable. This little guy is already the size of a small...
On day 15, the shoebill chick already dwarfs its 30-centimeter egg. The growth rate is truly remarkable at this stage.
The shoebill stork is now standing on its long, thick legs. It is nearly 2 feet tall. Its beak
Deep in the hidden swamps of Africa, there lives a bird that looks exactly like a dinosaur from a movie. This is the shoebill stork, a giant creature that stands very tall and stares with cold yellow eyes. Because it is so quiet and mysterious, many people call it the ghost of the Nile. The most amazing part of this bird is its massive beak, which is shaped just like a heavy wooden shoe. Even though it looks funny, this beak is actually a very dangerous tool with edges as sharp as a razor. It can snap down with enough power to catch and cut large prey in a single second. A shoebill's journey begins inside a very thick and large egg that is kept safe in a nest of grass. When the baby finally breaks through the shell, it doesn't look like a cute little chick. Instead, it looks like a strange prehistoric monster that has been waiting millions of years to be born. You won't hear this bird singing beautiful songs or chirping like a robin. Instead, the shoebill claps its upper and lower beak together very fast to make a loud, scary noise. It sounds just like a machine gun firing in the distance, and it tells everyone else to stay far away from its home. The shoebill is a master of being patient and can stand in the muddy water for many hours without moving a single feather. It stays so still that frogs and fish think it is just a gray stone statue. It waits for the perfect moment to strike, watching the water with total focus and silence. Life in the wild can be very mean and difficult for a young bird. Often, the mother shoebill will only take care of the biggest and strongest chick in the nest. The smaller, weaker baby is usually left behind because only the toughest can survive the harsh rules of the swamp. This giant bird loves to hunt a special kind of fish called the lungfish that hides deep in the mud. The shoebill lunges forward with incredible speed, splashing the water everywhere as it grabs the slippery fish. It uses its hooked beak to make sure the meal cannot wiggle away. One of the strangest things about the shoebill is how it talks to humans using body language. If a person stands in front of the bird and bows their head respectfully, the shoebill will often bow its head back. It is a very rare and polite moment between a human and a wild animal. Unfortunately, these magnificent giants are in big trouble because there are not many of them left on Earth. Their swamp homes are being destroyed, and they're losing the quiet places they need to live. We must protect them, or this living piece of history might disappear forever. The shoebill stork is not just a regular bird, it is a bridge back to the time of the dinosaurs. Every time we see one standing tall in the mist, we are looking at a creature that has outlived the past. As long as they're here, the world still holds a very old and beautiful secret.